and welcome back. Today we are making banana bread, and the ingredients for this is 3 ripe bananas, half cup butter room temperature, 3/4 cup sugar, 3 tablespoons sour cream, 1 1/2 cup plain flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Okay, so first we're going to start off putting the butter in the bowl and the sugar, and we're going to use an electric hand mixer and mixing it till it's light and fluffy. Okay, our sugar mixture is now light and fluffy, and now we're going to add the other ingredients into another bowl. So flour, baking soda, and salt, and then we're going to mix it with a wired whisk. Now we have mixed it, and now add this to our sugar mixture and put 3 mashed ripe bananas. And then we're going to mix it with a wooden spoon. Okay, so we have now mixed all of our mixtures, and we're now going to put the vanilla and sour cream. And then we are now going to mix. Okay, after all the ingredients are mixed well, we're going to transfer it to a pan that has been greased with oil or cooking spray, and we're going to bake it at 325 Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Okay, you can add any topping you like walnuts, chocolate chips. I'm putting chocolate chips. Banana bread is now ready, and it does look soft and delicious, and I hope you like my video. Bye.